The difference between how rich and poor people think about money can greatly affect their choices about spending and saving. Many individuals often focus too much on how much something costs right now, rather than thinking about how much it could be worth in the future. When unwise money flows into the economy, it can lower the value of good money. This idea teaches us that investing in real things like gold and silver is very important for financial stability. When governments print more money, it changes how wealth is shared among people, usually giving advantages to the wealthy. Recognizing this fact helps everyone make better choices when handling their finances. Learning about Grand's law shows us why bad money can cause good money to become less visible. This principle helps explain how rich and poor people behave differently when the economy faces tough times. Using borrowed money to buy valuable things can be a smart way to build wealth. Clever investors take advantage of inflation by purchasing properties that can grow in value over the years. As more money is created, the prices of everyday items like food and gas go up. This cycle of inflation shows how closely connected money rules are to the worth of different assets. Gold is known to keep its value, especially when the economy is facing inflation. This makes shiny gold watches more appealing than they might seem, as rich people recognize them as valuable investments, rather than just fancy things. Sometimes, people get too excited about cheap luxury items, like stylish handbags. These purchases often do not increase in value and can actually become financial burdens. Knowing how government decisions affect the worth of assets is very important for achieving financial success. When too much money is printed, it tends to help the rich while making life harder for those who are less fortunate. As prices for everyday things like gas and groceries go up, it creates extra pressure on families with less money. This can lead to more difficulties for the working class and those just getting by. Many leaders in politics may not fully understand poverty because they haven't experienced it themselves. This can change how they think about and solve economic problems that low-income people face. Being careful and thoughtful when making financial choices is very important. Understanding the difference between long-lasting value and short-lived costs can help everyone reach better financial health and build their wealth.